In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Booking.com affiliate program. Whether you're looking to monetize your website or expand your marketing toolkit, becoming a Booking.com affiliate can open up new opportunities. We'll walk through the simple steps needed to get you signed up. So, let's dive right in and start with the first step. To begin, you'll want to visit the Booking.com affiliate program page. This is where the journey begins, and it's your gateway to a wealth of resources and earning potential. Once you're on the page, you'll notice a prominent option to join or sign up. Don't be overwhelmed by all the information on the page. The key here is to find and click on the registration button, which will guide you to the next part of the process. After you've navigated to the registration section, it's time to complete the registration form. This form is crucial as it helps Booking.com understand who you are and how you plan to promote their services. Be prepared to provide various details while you fill out this form. Take your time with this step, as accuracy is important to ensure your application is processed without any hitches. As you go through the form, you'll need to input some personal and contact information, which might include your full name, email address, and possibly a password for your account. Make sure that your email is active and one that you check regularly, as this is where they'll send you important information regarding your account. Also, remember that your password needs to be strong and secure to protect your account. Next, you'll be asked to provide details about your website or platform. It's here that you'll showcase your digital presence, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or another form of media. When describing your site, focus on how you plan to use it in conjunction with Booking.com services. This is your chance to make a strong first impression, so be clear and straightforward about your intentions and audience. One thing to keep in mind during this process is to review all the terms and conditions set forth by the affiliate program. Understanding these terms will help you manage your expectations and ensure that you're in compliance with their policies, which is crucial for a long-lasting and productive partnership. Finally, once you're satisfied that all the information is correct and you've reviewed the necessary terms, go ahead and submit your application. After submission, it's a waiting game. It might take a little while for your application to be reviewed, but don't worry. If you filled everything out correctly and honestly, you're well on your way to being part of the Booking.com affiliate community, and that's it. You'll receive a confirmation email once your application has been approved. With that confirmation, you can start tapping into Booking.com's vast resources and tools to help you succeed. Good luck, and we hope to see you thriving as a Booking.com affiliate.